Question number 1. Which one is a drink? A. Milk. B. Stone. C. Shirt. Question number 2. What do you use to write? A. Spoon. B. Pen. C. Plate. Question number 3. Which is a day of the week? A. Banana. B. Monday. C. Ball. Question number 4. What is the opposite of slow? A. Quick. B. Stop. C. Sit. Question number 5. Which word is a noun? A. Jump. B. Eat. C. Table. Question number 6. Which one is a greeting? A. Thank you. B. Hello. C. Banana. Question number 7. Pick the correct sentence. A. She go to school. B. She goes to school. C. She going to school. Question number 8. What is the capital letter of M? A. MB. MC. MT. Question number 9. What is the opposite of yes? A. No. B. Okay. C. Maybe. Question number 10. Which one is used in the rain? A. Umbrella. B. Cap. C. Glasses.